In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect an Xbox controller to Steam on a desktop PC. To get started, connect your Xbox controller to your computer, either with a USB-C cable or through Bluetooth. If you want the simplest and most reliable option, the USB connection is usually the fastest way to get going. If you prefer a wireless setup, you can pair it over Bluetooth instead. For Bluetooth, open your Windows settings and go to Bluetooth and Devices. Once you're there, make sure Bluetooth is turned on. On your Xbox controller, press and hold the pair button for about 3 seconds. You'll know it's ready when the controller light starts flashing. Back on your PC, choose Add Device and select the controller from the list to complete the pairing process. If the controller doesn't appear right away, give it a moment and make sure the light is still flashing, since that means it's still in pairing mode. Once the controller is connected to your PC, the next step is to make sure Steam is set up to recognize it properly. Open the Steam app on your desktop. In the top left corner, click Steam, then select Settings. In the Settings window, click the Controller tab on the left side. Under the External Gamepad Settings section, make sure Enable Steam Input for Xbox controllers is turned on. This setting helps Steam detect the controller correctly and improves compatibility across a wide range of games, especially if a game doesn't natively recognize your controller right away. After that, your Xbox controller should be ready to use in Steam. If you run into any issues, try reconnecting the controller or reopening Steam so the app can refresh the connection. And that's it, you're now set to play your Steam games with your Xbox controller on desktop PC.